This compressor, mate, it's got no, like... Got there in the end. This compressor, I swear, it's like the guy that you're having a conversation with someone and they just come in and just start talking like loads of crap about themselves. Anyways, we are back down the unit. We're actually not here for that long today, just a very, very brief while. Basically, we've just come down here just on a bit of a whim today. I took a delivery of all that metal I was talking about a couple of videos ago. I'm going to be coming here this weekend to do quite a bit of work on that. We're actually going to be bracing the rear chassis mount wing, so no longer is a massive floppy jalopy like you saw in the last video. I'm not doing that till the weekend, so... Oh my god, mate! Taking delivery of all this metal. So what I want to do today is just shut up a quick fab project, and that is going to be installing a harness, well, I say installing, making a harness bar for the E36. At the moment, I have my Takata, don't know if they're genuine or not, harness in the car. My battery's gonna die. One sec. New battery's in. We have a Takata harness. Basically just hanging through at the moment because I just got a bit keen and wanted to see what it looked like. In order to mount it is we're gonna weld. When I say harness brace, I do use the term very loosely. I'm basically gonna flap disc a load of metal off of here, flap disc a load of metal off the opposite one over there. Cut a bar to length and weld it in. With you, I'm just really keen to use my new welder because I haven't had a proper go on it yet. In fact, I'll show you what I've done with my brand new welder. We've got a lovely smiley face. I made this little L bracket and welded it to here. That happened as well. So for any welded dicks you might need, get at me. What we're going to do to start with today, we're going to drag the welder out the back room. We're going to get it set up in here so we're ready to go. We're going to measure the distance between them, cut a bar to length, and then I'm going to have a go with my new welder. This is going to be, it's going to be a bit tight. I think these are the old mounting points for the old rear seats, which obviously I'm never ever going to run again. So we'll pop these out quickly. Lovely. Well, that was easy. So do you have any idea how hot it is inside this car today?
It's fucking hot everywhere.
It's bloody hot because I don't sweat. Next point, grinder. I'm going to flat disc that one. I'm going to flat disc that one. Get these all clean. Start measuring. I need something, please. Bless you!
Thank you.
You allergic to work?
No.
Definitely are. That measuring it. Oh yeah, look at that. Meant to be. So that is really uncomfortable. Wow. Oh. So that is 1,010. 1,010 mil. This massive one right here. So this is sexy. No, this is like roll cage tubing. And then you got this one. It's all just mild steel. Actually no, it's a 2mm wall. I think it's 32 mil in diameter. Something like that. For a harness bar, that's going to be solid. So we need that at 1,010. Yeah, so there's 1,010, which is there. So what I'm going to do, I'll just scribe it with that. I'm just going to sit here and cut it like this. God, could you imagine how long that would take? Lovely. So that, God, Not the straightest cut I've done in my life. Oh, would you look at that? I mean, if I don't say so myself, that's bloody lovely. Absolutely bloody lovely. That's where it's going to go. So what I'll do is clean up the edges, just to get rid of any crap on it basically. There's a tiny bit of a gap, but it's a MIG welder, so if you were TIG welding it'd be a bit of a different story, but I'm not, I've never even tried TIG welder, so. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of the edges, clean them up a little bit, just so they're ready to weld. And we'll tack it in place, we'll make sure it's Gary Neville. Job's good. There you go. Really clean bit of metal. So yeah, that's been cleaned up either side now. So what we can do now, we'll go ahead and get that tacked in. Look at that. See, he's sliding on the door. So as you can see, it's level. That way, to be fair, a couple of millimeters, I think I'll lose sleep over it. But yeah, only thing to do now, weld it. Well, I haven't welded tube like this before, so this is going to be a bit of a learning curve for me. Right, bear with, but that's all we can do. Welded, like it's in, man. That's pretty cool. I'm happy. Like I said, this is a really new process to me. So that side, like that is what you'd call in the trade pigeon shit. However, this side, I mean, it's still not incredible, don't get me wrong, but those last couple of beads, they were, yeah, it's passable.
Solid.
Well, it's not going anywhere, is it?
Nope.
Lovely.
Nice.
Right, so that's the bar welded in. Everyone's got to start somewhere, right? Right, now the next point of call is getting me out of this car. So Jack, please.
Like a hot dog to me.
Thank you, sir. Should we just check as well? Make sure. Perfectly level, so I'm chuffed with that. Let's try and get these harnesses on it. Yeah, in the next shot this is going to be done, or I'm going to be going home. I'll see you in a sec. Back out the car and I'm absolutely sweating my nut off. Harness bar's in. I'm happy, man. This is actually mounted on the seat now, like, which is good. And yeah, my harness bar with my fresh harnesses. Well, I say fresh harnesses, they're not fresh in the slightest, but you get the point. So might be a case of at some point we weld a bar like from here to here, just to stop them obviously sliding up and down like that. At the moment I'm not really too fussed about it. We'll see how annoying it is. And like I said, the bottom half of the harness, I haven't actually attached it yet. This was more just to kind of have a go at fabbing something up and actually welding something into this car. And yeah, like I said, welding's not the prettiest, but it's certainly not going anywhere, let's put it that way. We're going to take the car just down the road. Again, it's all on private land, away from everyone. It's all right for the moment, but we're actually, because it's such a nice day today, and it's actually really hot, we're going to go get some photos of the car. So what that means, first of all, is this.
Adjustable.
Because I still haven't fixed it. Again, that is going to be in the next video. That's what I'm hoping to get cracking on this weekend. So make sure you come back for that video. Look at that daily. Putting in work, bless it. I actually bought that to replace my old Mark IV Golf. I sold that Mark IV Golf for £280 and a bottle of wine to a lovely Romanian gentleman on a building site in Milton Keynes. So if you ever see this, mate, glad you got your use out of it. So there you have it. Jack's got the beauty shots, bless him, of this lovely, lovely thing. It just looks ridiculous, doesn't it? Yeah, harness bar, done. Beauty shots, done. Me sliding down it and using the car like a water slide, done. Like I said, harness bar, all in and sorted. It's gonna need a lick of paint, but for a quick 2-hour little project, man, I'm stoked. Like, I can't complain at all. Come out all right, didn't it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah. Welding needs a bit of practice, doesn't it? But
practice makes perfect there, doesn't it? So
100%. You know, welding's like drifting. The more seat time you get, the better you're gonna get it. Same as anything. Doesn't matter what it is. Skateboarding, BMXing, drumming. You practice it, you're gonna get better. That's where we're gonna wrap this video up. It's a bit of a shorter one today just because we are filming during the week and I'm still working. So apologies if it isn't a particularly long upload. Next time, that's getting braced. And it's gonna get braced good. We're having massive cross braces. It's gonna look, oh, it's gonna look sick. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you go and like it because that's gonna help me out massively. Go subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And yeah, if you want to, leave a comment below. My guy, make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Safe.